आधे बाउल दही में 4 चम्मच MDH चटनी पुदीना मसाला डाला, स्टर करो, पुदीना चटनी तैयार। MDH चटनी पुदीना मसाला।
Ladies and gentlemen, a judicial probe report on the Sambhal. Yes, the Sambhal Uttar Pradesh violence is out. The 450-page in-depth document submitted to Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, aka Baba, earlier today not only details the recent clashes which took place in Sambhal, but also exposes the disturbing history of communal unrest, demographic transformations and terror links of Sambhal and the people of Sambhal. From evidences of the Harihar temple to accounts of planned riots and foreign weapons. The findings have underscored some big revelations, viewers. Here's a report, and then we debate, because the reality of Sambhal has come out. The special report.
In November last year, Sambhal witnessed chaos, stone-pelting mobs, gunfire on the streets, and violent clashes broke out. The violence stemmed from a court-ordered archaeological survey of India inspection to determine whether the mosque stood atop a demolished temple. Now, a 3-member judicial commission has submitted a 450-page fact-finding report to Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. The report makes shocking revelations regarding Sambhal's history, demography, riots, even terror networks. It notes evidence from Babur's era in the foundation of the Harihar temple, finding that could reignite old historical controversies. As per the report, in 1947, Hindus made up to 45% of Sambhal's population. Today, they account for just 15%. The report cites appeasement politics, planned riots, and fear as reasons for the drastic demographic shift. The commission documents 15 major riots between 1947 and 2019, with the Hindu community suffering the most damage.
धार्मिक पौराणिक जो स्थान है, मंदिर है, आश्रम है, उस पर कब्जा किया गया, यह बहुत ही निंदनीय है। निश्चित रूप से जब उत्तर प्रदेश के मुख्यमंत्री एक हमारे योगी जी हैं, एक संत हैं, तो संभल के साथ बिल्कुल न्याय होगा, मुझे पूरा विश्वास है। और 450 पन्ने की जो रिपोर्ट बनी है, उसको निश्चित रूप से समाज को भी अवलोकन करने की आवश्यकता है। वो देखे कि किस प्रकार से हिंदू अगर घटता है तो किस तरह से हिंदुओं के खिलाफ साजिश हो रही है और हिंदुओं को किसी तरह से मिटाने का प्रयास किया जा रहा है।
ये बायस रिपोर्ट है, मैं समझता हूँ गलत रिपोर्ट है। हम इस रिपोर्ट को सही नहीं मानते। सीएम योगी को चाहिए कि इस पर दोबारा जांच कराएं और जिन लोगों ने ये रिपोर्ट पेश की है, मैं समझता हूँ वो उसी मानसिकता के लोग हैं जो मानसिकता देश में दंगा फैलाना चाहती है।
As Prime Minister said,
षड्यंत्र के तहत, सोची समझी साजिश के तहत देश की डेमोग्राफी को बदला जा रहा है। एक नए संकट के बीज बोए जा रहे हैं और ये घुसपैठिए मेरे देश के नौजवानों की रोजी रोटी छीन रहे हैं। जब डेमोग्राफी परिवर्तन होता है, सीमावर्ती क्षेत्रों में डेमोग्राफी में परिवर्तन होता है, तब राष्ट्रीय सुरक्षा के लिए संकट पैदा होता है। देश की एकता, अखंडता और प्रगति के लिए ये संकट पैदा, सामाजिक तनाव के बीज बो देता है। और कोई देश अपना देश घुसपैठियों के हवाले नहीं कर सकता है, दुनिया का कोई देश नहीं कर सकता है, तो हम भारत को कैसे कर सकते हैं?
is there a deeper plot against India's demography? Is there a larger conspiracy at play in Sambhal riots case?
Outsiders were brought in to incite riots, Anila Singh. But a strong police presence of Rashtra in the Hindu neighborhoods prevented the violence. The clashes turned inwards with the Turks and the Hindu Pathans killing each other. due to long-standing rivalries, Anurag Bhadoria. The unrest was sparked by MP Work's inflammatory statements, Ratnakar Tripathi, which you always forget to mention. This is not for the first time. And welcome to all four of you that we are discussing Sambhal. And all four of you are well versed with politics of Uttar Pradesh, with politics of Sambhal, and what happened there. All four of you. You may have your own narrative to push tonight. But then we should all not forget one basic point, that no one is above the law. And what happened in Sambhal was a swift action prevented a larger riot. And that is a point none of you can counter. I begin with the opposition on this debate. Anurag Bhadoria, problem क्या है? अभी भी आप नहीं करेंगे. आपका सांसद, आपके लोग, और आप इसको हिंदू मुस्लिम करते रहे. अनुराग भदौरिया, ये मैंने आपको बताया था तुर्क और पठान वाला बात, आपको याद है? We had discussed this on a debate, but you, regardless, you said no. Will you also disregard this committee's report? Anurag Bhadoria. I begin with you, Anurag Bhadoria.
कमाल है
कमाल तो है।
भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार 8 साल से ज्यादा की उत्तर प्रदेश के अंदर में, बोले दीजिए, 8 साल से ज्यादा उत्तर प्रदेश के अंदर में है, उन्हें पता ही नहीं चलता कि वहाँ आतंकी आ जाते हैं, घुसपैठिए भी आ गए। 11 साल से सरकार इस देश में भारतीय जनता पार्टी की है, घुसपैठिए भी आ जाते हैं, इन्हें पता ही नहीं चलता। इंटेलिजेंस डिपार्टमेंट फेल हो जाता है, इन्हें पता ही नहीं चलता। लास्ट 30 सालों के लिए लिया जाए तो लास्ट 30 सालों में 18 साल से सरकार तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी की इस देश के ऊपर में, फिर घुसपैठिए कैसे आ जा रहे हैं, मैं पूछना चाहता हूं। उत्तर प्रदेश के अंदर में लास्ट 30 साल का ले लिया जाए तो 14 साल से भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार है। तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार क्या कर रही थी? सवाल यह है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार को इस बात का एहसास हो गया है कि अब जनता के मुद्दों पे चुनाव नहीं लड़ सकते। वो जनता के मुद्दे उनके बस में बताने नहीं रह गए, जनता ने उन्हें निगलेक्ट कर दिया, जनता ने रिजेक्ट कर दिया। इसीलिए जनता का ध्यान भटकाने के लिए कर रहे हैं। ना महंगाई पे बात करेंगे, ना बेरोजगारी पे बात करेंगे, ना यहाँ पे महिला समस्या पे बात करेंगे, ना किसान की बात करेंगे, ना हेल्थ समस्या पे बात करेंगे, ना एजुकेशन समस्या पे बात करेंगे। सवाल है कि 50% टैरिफ अमेरिका ने लगा दिया, उत्तर प्रदेश के अंदर में फैक्ट्रियां बंद हो रही है, बेरोजगार हो रहे हैं, इस पे चर्चा ना हो जाए। लोगों के घर में चूल्हा नहीं जल रहा है, लोग चूल्हा नहीं जल रहा है, वो महंगाई और बेरोजगारी से आत्महत्या करने पे मजबूर है।
अनुराग भदौरिया, these are opening comments.
वो हिंदू मुस्लिम के चक्कर में पड़ी हुई है, वो हिंदू मुस्लिम पे बात करना चाहते हैं।
Anurag, you made your point. You said the BJP is deliberately pushing it. Okay, I took your point. But is BJP deliberately showing that the Hindus have shrunk from 45% to 15%? From 45% to 15% in Sambhal since independence? Anila Singh, what is happening in Sambhal?
I am telling you. Now, if you take out the data of 2011, you will find that Hindus were almost 22-25% there. Then they started shrinking.
Anurag, now calm down.
Because majorly the
Anurag, one by one, don't do this.
who were ruling there, they were into appeasement politics of one particular religious community. And that religious community dominates in Western Uttar Pradesh. There was a time when Western Uttar Pradesh was called nursery of terrorism. Why? Why? Because we very well know, whole of the world knows, terrorists come from one particular religious community. This is so unfortunate. Congress party is the only political party in whole of the world who gave this name to Bhagwadharis, that Bhagwa is the color of terrorism. The only Congress party who declared that Hindus are terrorists. Whole of the world is saying that terrorism comes from one particular religious community. And facts are there. Not a single district has been left in Western Uttar Pradesh where riots haven't taken place. Major riots, big riots. Why? Not because of the Hindus, but because of the rising one religious community. What happened after 1971? Why such a steep increase of one particular religious community and decrease of Hindu community? So if the demographic balance is not there, then you can very well understand what is going to dominate. Dominance will be of all the thought which is going to make this nation of ours an Islamic state. Previously we know that, I mean, you want to switch over, I'm not Anurag Bhadoria, I'll stop if you want me to stop.
I know. No, absolutely I know. And no one can be Anurag Bhadoria. He's the only one, Subhrashtra, are you aware? He's the only one who can do farming while he's wearing sports shoes, and Rahul Gandhi is the only one who can enter a pani bhara hua makhane ka field in his socks. So these are two people who no one else can impersonate. Let me be very clear. There is only one Anurag Bhadoria and one Rahul Gandhi. But what I'm telling you is this. Anurag ji, that is on a lighter note. Please now calm down. You'll be happy I've compared you to Rahul Gandhi. So please calm down for a minute. I've just compared you to Rahul Gandhi. You should be the happiest person on this planet right now, according to your political ideology. But now what I'm saying is Ratnakar Tripathi, why? Ratnakar ji, why? Sambhal's reality from 45% to 15%. Hindu, आप सोचिए, the Hindu population shrunk from 45 to 15. There were presence of Al-Qaeda and Harkatul Mujahideen, a very strong foothold. Maulana Asim, alias Sanaul Haq, who was declared a terrorist by the United States, was directly linked to Sambhal, and his offshoots were uprooted by the government. Ratnakar ji, all of this was there. I am not saying कि ये कल हुआ है. All of this has happened in the last 24 hours or in 48 hours. But what precipitated that day was not a Hindu-Muslim riot. It was a Turk and Pathan infighting, which the Samajwadi Party, because their MP was present, wanted to portray as a Hindu-Muslim fight. Ratnakar Tripathi.
So how much time without heckling on interruption? 3-minute courtesy which you give to BJP spokesperson?
Same to you. Carry on.
Thank you. So, Aishwarya Kapoor, you are the only person, like Anurag Bhadoria and so-called Rahul Gandhi, who knows the words are hollow, but can bravely present on the TV. Kudos to you. Now, let me tell you one thing. उसी की जांच कमेटी, उसी वही मुद्दई और उसी का मुंसिफ, हमें यकीन था हमारा कसूर निकलेगा. 45 to 15%. So all the 30% are Ghuspetiyas. What happened there? You are saying this Hindu majority, I mean the Hindu community shrunk to 15% from 45%. That is 30% shrinking. So all are Ghuspetiyas. What do you want to say? I know who were in the judge committee. A.K. Jain. IG was he. When Rita Bhagwanath Joshi's house was burned and people tried to kill her. What did he do? He went to one place of Mrs. Gupta, known to her, कि वहां चोरी हुई है. Second, who was there? Amit Mohan Prasad, retired IAS. Who is Amit Mohan Prasad? In July 2022, Brijesh Pathak wrote a very strong letter condemning him and saying कि इन्होंने ट्रांसफर पे गड़बड़ी की है. Yogi Adityanath ji established 3-member committee, senior IAS, including Avnish Awasthi, and the Durga Shankar Mishra chief secretary, and they found कि अमित मोहन प्रसाद ने गड़बड़ी की है. So whether his master's voice will do the investigation, the result will be the same.
So you're raising a question on...
Let me ask you one thing.
Carry on.
Did the committee write how many Hindu families returned in 8 years? Don't they believe in Yogi Adityanath's governance? And they lost the trust. What is the percentage of that?
Okay. Subhrashtra, Congress and the Samajwadi Party principally are raising the question on the Judicial Commission members and hence the finding. They're saying nothing was wrong. It was not a Turk versus Pathan. It was a deliberately pushed by the present political dispensation in the state. That is Baba.
Turk versus Pathan, how come Hindus are involved?
Ratnakar ji, can I get the same courtesy
Absolutely.
that was extended to
you.
both the gentlemen by both the ladies here?
Thank you.
May I ask you to be quiet while I make my submission?
Yeah.
No, I don't give permission, madam.
Okay.
So,
Thank you. Carry on. Back on debate.
Aishwarya, I am...
Ratnakar ji, please. Now you got to stop this sometimes.
Ask the permission from them.
Ratnakar ji, you got to stop this sometimes. Thank you. Subhrashtra, over to you. Thank you. Carry on.
Look, Aishwarya, I am not surprised at all by this kind of a dismissal of any state body or institution by either the Samajwadi Party or the Congress Party. They do not believe in the fundamental tenets of the Constitution. They do not believe in any constitutional body. They don't even believe in judiciary. This judicial panel has submitted a 450 pages report. Now, this report
Anurag, calm down.
merely makes recommendations.
Let her
क्यों ये गलत बोल दिया क्या? फैक्चुअली गलत बोला क्या? 450 पन्ने की रिपोर्ट नहीं है. जुडिशियल पैनल ने रिपोर्ट सबमिट नहीं की. अभी तो मैं तत्व पे पहुंची भी नहीं हूं। I haven't even talked
Ratnakar ji,
about
please
the
calm down.
content, Mr.
Please
Ravi.
don't do this. Do not heckle her.
No, this is what happens when two gentlemen
No.
promise to allow
Ratnakar
lady to
Tripathi, do
speak
not do
but
this.
in every second.
Anurag Badoria, do not do this. Anurag Badoria, you spoke. She was quiet. Ratnakar Tripathi, I'll put your fader down. When you were speaking, neither Anila ji nor Subrashtra was speaking. Fader down. Aditi, fader down. Aditi, let's just put fader of Anurag Badoria and Ratnakar down. Thank you. You can carry on. Subrashtra, your 2.5 minutes are yours. Please carry on, ma'am. Yeah.
Yes, so Aishwarya, the point is very simple. The kind of case that has been investigated and involvement of the MP there, I don't want to go into the details. Everybody knows the details of that case. There was an incendiary speech that was made, post which Pathans and Turks sort of fought among themselves. It was painted as a Hindu-Muslim communal thing. My point is that if the demography has changed, is what the report says, then we also need to understand that the Yogi government should set up a fact-finding mission to find out the reason for this demographic change in a very secular way. I'm not trying to say that illegal migration has happened. I'm not trying to say that. I'm not trying to dismiss the fact that naturally the population of Hindus would have declined. Maybe there would have been a plague that had happened that we are not aware of, that the media is not aware of. Maybe some supernatural element might have played. My point is, let the state actually figure out why this demographic shift happened. Because when we talk about development, we need to ask development for whom? There is also an alleged involvement of a US designated terrorist in that area.
Yes.
We need to be cognizant of these facts. And these are not facts which are made up. These are facts that have been unearthed by a panel which is pretty much
Anurag Badoria and Ratnakar Tripathi both feel that this committee is wrong. The members have fabricated.
Well,
I'm sorry,
facts
Anurag
don't
Badoria.
have feelings. Facts do not have feelings. If
But this is something which Anurag Badoria does not understand. Anurag Badoria, over to you. अनुराग भदौरिया, do you understand the
अनुराग
importance
जी,
of this
आपकी
report?
फीलिंग्स से फैक्ट्स नहीं बदल जाते ना, आपको फील होता है बहुत कुछ, उससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
अभी भारतीय जनता पार्टी के आप सुनिए, मेरी बात सुनिए, अभी तो आप ज्ञान दे रहे थे, दूसरों के बीच में नहीं बोलना चाहिए, अब ज्ञान खत्म हो गया। ये बीजेपी की मानसिकता है, बोलते कुछ है करते कुछ हैं। अब देखिए, मैं आपसे कह रहा था भारतीय जनता पार्टी का देखिए कैरेक्टर देख लिया। अभी बीजेपी के प्रवक्ता 1971 में चले गए। कासगंज के समय क्या जो माहौल खराब हुआ, किसकी सरकार थी? संभल में भी माहौल खराब हुआ, किसकी सरकार थी? बहराइच में माहौल खराब हुआ था, किसकी सरकार थी? जिसमें रामगोपाल मिश्रा जी की डेथ हो गई थी, और जिस तरह से बहराइच में चंदन गुप्ता की डेथ हुई थी। मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूं, नई दिल्ली में दंगा हुआ, नूह में दंगा हुआ, और लगातार जो दंगे होने देखने को मिले, लखनऊ में भी जिस तरह पत्थरबाजी हुई, तो आपकी सरकार में आप रोक क्यों नहीं पा रहे? भैया सरकार तो आपकी है, भारतीय जनता पार्टी की। दिल्ली में दंगे कैसे हो गए पूछना चाहता हूं, नूह में कैसे हो गए दंगे मैं पूछना चाहता हूं, कैसे कासगंज में मौत हो गई? तो सवाल यह है कि आपकी सरकार रहते हुए आपका इंटेलिजेंस
इट्स योर गवर्नमेंट
हो जाता है।
ओके, डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन डायरेक्ट आंसर। ओके, अनुराग भदौरिया डाउन, और आपको सुब्राश्रा
ऐश्वर्या,
क्विक काउंटर, अनुराग जी कमेंट।
नहीं, चूंकि अनुराग जी डेटा पे बात करना चाहते हैं, तो हम सही में अगर उनको लगता है कि सरकार ने नहीं किया है राइट्स रोकने के लिए, तो आप सही में लेट्स गो बैक इन हिस्ट्री एंड लुक फ्रॉम 1948 टू 2009 कितने राइट्स हुए उस एरिया में? किसमें कई बार किसकी सरकार थी? सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट की सरकार कब सेंट्रल पे कांग्रेस की सरकार कितने समय थी? समाजवादी पार्टी ने कितने समय तक काम किया? और योगी सरकार आने के बाद उस एरिया में कितने
वन बाय वन अनुराग
डेटा खेलना है, क्योंकि आपको खेलना नहीं चाहिए, क्योंकि मैं आप ही के खेमे में अगर मैं आकर के बात करूं, तो हमें शर्म आनी चाहिए कि हम एक राइट को दूसरे राइट के साथ कंपेयर कर रहे हैं। हमें शर्म आनी चाहिए ये कहने में कि प्रोपोर्शनेटली कम हुआ, देयरफॉर things are hunky dory.
Ratnakar Tripathi, ending comments.
और आप लोगों का तर्क ये बोलने पे विवश करता है।
Ratnakar Tripathi, ending comments. Anila Singh on the other side.
I am a statistics graduate. You can't put one sample and say कि यार ये बड़ा गलत हो रहा है. What is the comparison?
Anila.
What about the other districts? What is the demographics in other districts? How many Hindus shifted from there and how many Muslims and Christians? That is, we compare it. It is not
Can I come in?
Coming to you.
Ratnakar, just now you said that you are the student of
Just let him complete. Just give him 30 more seconds. Anila ji, give him 30 seconds. Anila ji, give him 30 seconds.
Then in Meerut, in Muzaffarnagar, in Saharanpur, in Sambhal, in Rampur. I can give you the figures. If you call yourself statistic expert, then come on, tell me. The rise of Muslims in Western Uttar Pradesh districts. I can tell you. The humongous rise in Western districts of Uttar Pradesh. Meerut, 13%. Bijnor 6.5%, Muradabad almost 9%, 12%, almost 14% in Meerut. I can give you so many statistics.
How many
Statistics
Muslims
right in front of me.
districts?
You're talking about the
Can you tell
statistics.
me?
And let me tell you one thing. Let me
I'm
tell you
with
one
you.
thing here,
Yes,
Aishwarya.
yes.
Yes.
I am not at all surprised.
Yes.
There was a
Tell me
clash
something.
of clans.
What is the
in
demographic
Sambhal.
shift of Muslims?
Anila Singh, Subhrashtra, Ratnakar Tripathi,
And-
Anurag Bhadoria. I'll just tell you one thing.
Because
These
they
were not
have
the first and the
seen-
only riots with Sambhal as seen. Issue of Sambhal is very sensitive.
No, you have to
A
compare.
direct connect of a US designated terrorist from 1953, where it was a Shia-Sunni conflict. In 1962, Muslims attacked Jansang's former MLA Mahesh Gupta. In 1976, a dispute within the mosque committee led to a Muslim killing a cleric, followed by a rumor that a Hindu, Rajkumar Saini, was responsible. All of this, people have not forgotten, Anurag Bhadoria. 2006 ka bhi nahi bhula hai. You want me to tell this? I will tell you this. Who was the chief minister? Who was the chief minister of Uttar Pradesh in 2006? It was late Mulayam Singh Yadav. It was late Netaji. आप बात समझिए अनुराग भदौरिया. Anurag Bhadoria. Anurag Bhadoria. By shouting, you cannot win in this shouting match.
आप कह रहे थे चुनाव होगा तो हम सबको रोजगार
आप मुझे
मिलेगा,
10 सेकंड
किसान
दीजिए, मैं
खुशहाल
यहाँ
होगा,
पर एक बहुत
खत्म हो
जरूरी
जाएगा,
बात
टैक्स
कहना
खत्म हो
चाहती
जाएगा,
हूँ।
दंगे खत्म हो जाएंगे, हर घर में रोजगार होगा, चारों तरफ खुशहाली
अरे
होगी,
जहाँ
मेडिकल
मुस्लिम की
व्यवस्था
डोमिनेंस
अच्छी
हुई है ना,
रहेगी,
पूरे विश्व में
क्या
नहीं
होगा,
है।
सब होगा।
वो आपस में लड़ते हैं,
सब
संभल में भी
आप
आपस में
ऐसे
लड़ेंगे,
can you
कोई
please-
नहीं।
Coming. Okay, ending comments. Subhrashtra. Subhrashtra, ending comments.
topic we are discussing.
Subhrashtra, ending comments.
पूछा जा रहा है कि लोग महंगाई से क्यों हैं?
Subhrashtra.
मजबूर है किसान सब
Subhrashtra, you got to speak in this.
Ashwarya, the point that I have been trying to make is, and I think Mr. Ratnakar Tripathi would agree. I agree with him that there can be a number of reasons how we look at this demographic
Right.
shift. My point is, allow the state government to hold a free and fair survey kind of a report. Let us all actually know why this shift has happened. Because with the kind of revelations that are coming in Sambhal, a US designated terrorist, being an operative there,
Right.
the kind of communal tensions
Right.
that are already there between, Pathans
communal
and Turks,
tensions-
and the
Subhrashtra, I
flare-up that
understand.
happened because of the.
I am running out of time.
side.
Anurag Bhadoria, I'm running out of time. You want to still defend.
When you are
You want to still defend your member of
एक सेकंड,
parliament,
एक
you
सेकंड।
can.
आप भी अन्याय
But the
करते
people
हो,
of this
विपक्ष की आवाज बंद
country,
करते
the people of this
आप
country
भी
see
इसी
through you.
क्या हो गया?
That there is a reason you have been
आवाज बंद
defeated
करते हो, ये
election
है,
after
ये
election.
साजिश है।
Election after election, Anurag Bhadoria. There is an in-principle reason.
आप ऐसा करो
Law
ना,
and
अपने
order,
consultants को पैसा
law and
दो
order
और
has
उस
been your
पैसे
weak
से आप ही
point.
सर्वे कर लो।
Akhilesh
आपकी
Yadav has
रिपोर्ट दे
tried
दो
to work on
जनता
it,
के सामने।
but has not been able to achieve what Baba has. And that is something which all of you have to understand. Sambhal is a case study. Sambhal is a case study which you need to understand. Thank you very much to all of you. And on the other side, viewers, on the other side, at 9 p.m., we discuss why is Trump still trying to be the bigger bully. India is not going to achieve anything by allowing Trump what he wants. So, what do? Take Trump heads on. That's on the other side. Thank you very much.
ये है सीक्रेट रेसिपी MDH का जीरा सिर्फ जल जीरा मसाला।
सिप सिप जीरा सिप MDH का जल जीरा सिप MDH का जल जीरा सिप